Good morning, students. Welcome back. You know my name very well, but then also I would like to tell my name. My name is Mrs. Manjushri Gorde, and we are studying what? We are studying English grammar topic. The name of our topic is the phrase. What is name of our topic? The phrase. And yesterday I told you 5 rules of phrase. Correct or not? Phrase does not have subject and predicate. Correct? Phrase can occur at any place in the sentence. It can at any position in the sentence. It can be in starting, or it can be in ending, or it can be in middle. Then there were some more rules which I told you yesterday. Today we are going to study how to underline phrases in the sentence, how to find out phrases in the sentence. And yesterday we learned in one rule that generally phrases begins with what? Generally phrases begin with preposition. Correct or not? Which prepositions? In, at, the, of, from, above, outside, inside, through. These are what? The inside. These all are phrases, and it is said that many times phrases begin with what? They begin with preposition. Now there are 7 examples in front of you. Can you see all 7 examples properly? I think yes. There are total 7 examples of sentences, or you can say phrases are there in all sentences, and we have to find out what? We have to find out phrases in the sentence. And I told you many times phrase start with what? It starts with preposition and it does not have any meaning. Correct or not? It gives some sense. That phrase gives some sense, but they even if they give some sense, what happens? They don't give complete meaning. It does not, a phrase does not make sentence complete. So we are going to study, or we are going to underline some phrases in this sentences. 7 sentences are there in front of you. Now first one, question is what? Underline the phrases given in the sentences. What we have to underline? We have to underline phrases. Now first one is A. Birbal was a man of wisdom. How was Birbal? Birbal was man of wisdom. Now what can be phrase in this? I think of wisdom is the phrase, because of is what? Of is preposition, and of wisdom. These two words make a group. These two words are what? They are phrase. It is a group of words which make phrase. Correct? Birbal was a man of wisdom. Of wisdom is what? Of wisdom is phrase. Second sentence which is given over here is the new admission in school are from the countryside. Come on, tell me now, what will be the phrase in this sentence? The new admission in school are from the countryside. What will be the phrase in this sentence? From the countryside. Why? Because from is a preposition, and there are 3 words which make phrase. There are 3 words which make phrase. From the countryside. Because if I will say from the countryside, it will give any meaning? No, it is not going to give any meaning. From the countryside. Does that word give any meaning? No, it does not give any meaning. So that group of words is known as what? It is known as phrase. It gives some sense. From the countryside means somebody from countryside means what? New admissions are from countryside. Countryside means what? From little outside area. Okay. So second sentence is what? The new admission in school are from the countryside. Now the third sentence which is given over here is the sun sets in the west. Where does sun sets? The sun sets in the west. Now what will be, which group of words will be phrase in the sentence? In the west. What will be the phrase? In the west. Are you getting? In the west is what? In is what? In is a preposition, and these 3 words make a group of words. This group of words is what? It is a phrase. Fourth question, which is fourth sentence which is given over here is, that beggar knocked at my door. That beggar knocked at my door. What will be phrase in this sentence? Can you see fourth one? At my door. At my door. This will be phrase in the sentence because at is preposition. At is what? It is a preposition and phrase starts from preposition at my door. Okay. If I will say, students, at my door, you will say, ma'am, what you are saying? What is that at my door? Tell something meaningful or make something meaningful sentence, ma'am. What is this at my door? So, at my door is making any sense? It makes any meaning? No, it does not make any meaning, but it has some sense. So, what is that? What this group of words is? It is what? It is a phrase. Fifth sentence which is given over here is, the thief ran into the house. Now here again, into is what? Into is preposition. Into is what? Into is preposition. Into the house. So this part of sentence is a phrase. Are you understanding? Into the house is what? Into the house is the phrase. Next one now. Outside the house, it was raining heavily. Outside the house, it was raining heavily. It was raining heavily. If I will say this much sentence, it was raining heavily, it will make sense. But if I will say outside the house, it is making any meaning? No, it is not having any meaning, correct? It has some sense, but it does not make any meaning. Outside the house. So, outside the house is what? It is the phrase. Next one, seventh one. On Monday morning, we have our class assembly in the basement. On Monday mornings, we have our class assembly in the basement. In this sentence, in the basement is the phrase. Because in is preposition, and what will be, which group of words is phrase in this sentence? In the basement. What is phrase in that sentence? In the basement. There is one more sentence. I will show you that because that sentence, there is no place to write down on the board. Okay. So that I am showing you. 8th one. Sit down without making noise. What is that sentence? 8th one last. Sit down without making noise. In this sentence, without is what? Without is preposition. So, without making noise is the what? It is the phrase. Now, what are phrases in all sentences of wisdom? From the countryside, in the west, at my door, into the house, outside the house, in the basement, and last one is without making noise. What is last one? Without making noise. In this way, we have underlined phrases in the sentences. Once again, I would like to read rules of phrases. A phrase, unlike a sentence, does not have a subject and predicate. Means doer of action is also not there, and which tells the words which tells more about subject, those words are also not there in phrase. A phrase is always a part of sentence. It is part of a sentence. It can be anywhere in the sentence, but it is a part of sentence. A phrase can occur at any position in the sentence. Where it can occur at any position. Next one, a sentence may contain one or more phrases. Sentence मध्ये किती phrases असू शकतात? One or more phrases can be there in one sentence. And last one, generally a phrase begins with a preposition. Generally what phrase begins with prepositions? For that you should know prepositions: in, at, the, from, outside, then inside, above, about, more, which are phrases, through, correct? Which are more phrases, which are more this what we call prepositions. There are many, there are many prepositions. Yeah, in is there, then which are there more? On is there, till, into, with, by, among, between. These all are what? These all are phrases. In this way, we have completed one question of our lesson, the phrase. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to study second question, add phrases to complete the following. We are going to add phrases to some sentences. We are going to add what? We are going to add some phrases to the sentence. Have you understood till here? Okay. Remaining part we will study tomorrow. Thank you.